Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful appetizer dish using shrimps and pineapple, exactly like this. Beautiful shrimp tacos with shrimp, pineapple salsa and the tortillas already warm. So let's start. En este video vamos a hacer unos tacos perfectos para la próxima fiesta que vas a hacer. No, I'm joking. This video is still going to be in English. Maybe Spanish, I need to practice more. So, in this video we're going to make beautiful shrimps appetizer with pineapple, tortillas and a small salsa with it. In my opinion, tacos are the perfect appetizer for any party, a friends gathering or family, and you should think about making this one because it's very special and very tasty. So, we're going to start by prepping a little bit the salsa, after that the shrimp, and build everything together. So, we're going to start with the salsa. For the salsa we're going to need the tomatillos. They are Mexican husk tomatoes. They are a little bit tart in flavor, but we're going to develop the flavor in the process of cooking. We're going to cut the tomatillos large dices. We're going to take the pineapple, cut it smaller dices, and we're going to cook half of it with the vegetables to give the nice charred flavor, and half of it we're going to give fresh. We're going to crush the garlic and chop it. For the red onion, we're going to cut it into quarters. Take the middle part out, the middle part also rough with the tomatillos. This one, finely slice. The habanero and the other chili, we're going to open, discard the seeds, and also chop. Make sure to be easy on those, yeah, because the combination of those together is going to give a nice kick. And if you have people that are a little bit sensitive to kickness, keep it easy, yeah, don't overwork with the peppers. Now we're going to marinate the shrimp. It's going to be very simple. Soy sauce, pepper, salt. Be easy on the salt because we have the soya here. Again, each saltiness gives a different taste, a different flavor. And a little bit oil. We're going to mix them. The red onion that we sliced for the decoration we're going to put in really cold water. Same thing we did with the ceviche. Also, we're going to pick some of the leaves of the coriander and put them also in separate cold water, not in the same one, because the onion we're going to rinse at least 2-3 times under cold water. We're going to change the water 2-3 times, and after that rinse it third time under cold water to give it the nice crispiness and also to take a little bit of the strong flavor of the onion itself. So when you're going to actually bite the onion, it's not going to take from the other flavors in the dish. So the shrimp, we're going to let them sit roughly for 10-15 minutes a little bit with the soya. Just to let you know, the tortillas that I'm usually buying are made of corn and they come in like a medium size in the pack. You can take a cookie cutter or something like 3.5-4 inches wide and cut smaller pieces. Otherwise it's going to be a quite big appetizer, and also you will need quite a lot of shrimps. For the vegetables, we're going to put pepper, salt, very easy. Pan already on full heat, 9 out of 9. We want to give a nice charred color and roast them outside and steam them inside. All the steam and everything is going to cook them. Regular oil, yeah. We are not going to put oil in the pan. We're putting the oil inside the vegetables. We're going to mix them and whew, I already can smell the spiciness in it. Very nice. So when it's on high heat and you want to give a nice really charred color here, stir it from time to time, but don't stir it consistently. You really want to give the color to the surface that is touching the pan, the hot pan, to caramelize it and really nice char it. After that, you're going to stir it more and toss it. When you have nice color on everything, we're going to take it out. That's it. Same bowl, no problem. To this, we're going to add something to refresh it a little bit. Lime zest. Now, when everything is already chilled, we're going to chop it, and after that, correct a little bit seasoning, salt and pepper, and add the fresh pineapple. So now after the shrimps already marinated for 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to cook them. And we have a pan on the heat, 7 out of 9, warming up. Before we're actually going to cook them, we're going to cut them in half, lengthwise. The reason why we are cutting the shrimps after we marinating it, because the soya itself, it's really strong in flavor. We don't want to overpower the taste of the shrimps with the soya, and we're just giving the enhanced taste outside, and inside it's still going to be the taste of the shrimp. When the pan is already hot and nice, we're going to add a little bit oil. Let the heat to do the thing. Don't stir them too much. Just look for the one that already got the color and nice. Flip them on the other side. At the moment when you finished flipping all the shrimps, stir them a little bit, toss them 2 times, that's it, take them out. You don't need more than that. You see how nice and twisted all of them are, and they're going to be beautiful sitting in the tacos. So when the shrimps are done and you warmed a little bit the tortillas, keep them under a napkin or something to keep them a little bit steamed, and so they're not going to go dry also fast. Usually when I'm doing this type of appetizer for friends and family, I'm usually putting everything in the plates and each person is building his own tortilla. But if you want to actually build it, we're going to start with the tortilla on the bottom, and after that salsa, 2 or 3 pieces of shrimp, red onion and fresh coriander. So make sure to let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. Also, if you are going to try it, let me know also how it came out. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because more of these recipes are coming up every week. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Andrei. This is Think of Food.